Hello everyone. What if I told you can make about 100 to 1k without any skills, no certificate, no degree? All you need is your smartphone, internet access, and this AI tool called ChatGPT. It sounds too good to be true, but it's very true. I don't show any illegal platform on my channel. Every platform I talk about it on my channel, I do test it before I show it on my channel because I don't want to mislead people. I don't want to lie to people and all that. So if you are here, you are looking for a way to make cool cash online, this is the right video for you. I'm going to show you how you can do this with the help of ChatGPT. You can make cool cash just sitting at home. But before we continue, if you are new on the channel, please make sure to subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section so that I can share you links through your comment. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. With this said, let's get straight to the video. First off, you go and sign up for an account with ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, if you have an account already, just go and log into your account. Then we are going to start a new conversation. So here we are going to ask AI to write a full book for us, and we are going to sell this book on a platform that can make us $100 to $1,000 just by selling this kind of books. So what you are going to do is to type the title, the target audience, the length of the book, whether 20 to 50 pages, the tone or the style of the book, whether it's formal, informal, and all that. So we're going to type all these details and let ChatGPT use it to generate a full book for us right here in this video. So you can see the introduction. We have understanding the digital economy in Africa. We have freelancing opportunities. These are some of the brief outline of the book cover. So we're going to cover about all these 20 pages. So we allow ChatGPT to generate for us. Now ChatGPT has finally generated the book for us. So you can see the download link here. So we just click on it to download your book. We are going to copy or open the book here. So you can see the book. We have the title at the top here, How to Make Money Online in Africa. And you can see your name, that's the author. We have the introduction and all the pages that we listed in the book. So that is it. Now if you want to maybe customize this book, you can go ahead and do so using your Word or maybe Word document. If you want AI to also do customize it for you, you can also do that as well. Now after you download this PDF, we are going to search for a particular platform, which is to go to your browser and search for Selar. That's the name of the site called Selar. It's good for Africans who are looking for a way to make extra income online. They have so much flexible payment options. You can get paid through your mobile money account, whether MTN, Airtel, Tigo, Vodafone, through your bank account, so on and so forth. You have flexible options you can choose from. So this is the best option that you can use to make money online, that I recommend you to give it a try. So you can see here, we have start selling with Selar. So here what we're going to do is the ebook that we just created, we are going to sell it on this platform. So many people are here looking for ways to get some of these motivational books. You can draft so many kind of books that people are looking out there to buy, and they can buy it for cool price. So you can see here, you first of all sign up for an account, and then the next step is to select whether you are a creator, you are an affiliate marketer, whether you're a customer here to buy some of the books as well. So these are the three options you can choose from. That's how you can see. Say, how do you plan to use Selar today? So you just select any of the options you are here to do. So we are going to choose, I am a creator, I want to sell my product or service on Selar. You just select that one and then continue as creator. Now we wait for it to open the next step. Here they say you need to update the gender, you need to update your date of birth, you need to update your contact number for internal comments and reminders. So that is it. We are going to update all this information. You select the gender, the date of birth. Let's do it this way. Then you select your phone number 233, then 246989, and that is it. Now it's what? It's successful. Now you can see we have add bank details. You don't have any product yet. Welcome to Seller, your simple e-commerce tool to sell your content, product and service across borders. That is it. So we have what? Show love. Click on what? Create my page to set up your show love page. That is it. You can add your bank details and all that. So we are going to add what? Product. Now set up your bank details, whether you're in Nigeria, Ghana, any other African country. You can just select your country and then proceed with what? The setting up process. Now after saving your bank details, you add your product. So here you can say what? Select a product type to what? Proceed. It's a digital product. We have ticket and what? Masterclass. We have service. We have subscription, so on and so forth. So you can just select the type of product. We are going to sell a digital product. Sell your knowledge, creativity, effortless digital product from ebooks, templates, printable what and more that customers can what? Easily access instantly. So you click on what? Next. Now here we are going to upload our product. So now you prompt ChatGPT to generate um the cover of the book for you, and we are going to upload that on the platform. So you can see the cover image AI has generated for us. That's how to make money online in Africa. And this is the cover. You can just download it. After you download it, now you are going back to the platform. You can see they say add product here. We have then you drag and drop the image cover of your product or your ebook. You just select the image here and you are done. And that is it. Now they say product name. You give the name of the product, which is how to make money online in Africa. Then what is the price of this book? Now you click on what? Show strict out original price, and that is it. Now we have what? Categories. So you select the category. Is it marketing and sales? Is it health and fitness? So on and so forth. So we are going to select what we call what? Content and media. So that is it. Select content and media. Then subcategory is a video animation or music, graphic design. So this is just what we call video animation. You just select any of the options you think it will fit your category. Then you can see here there is a checkbox here that says what? This product has multiple variant options like different tiers. We have packages, add-ons, size or colors. You select that option as well. That's if you have all these options. If it doesn't have, you can just leave it as it is. Now we have product type. It's a digital product. It's there already. You can just maintain that one. We have pre-order release date, the day you're going to release the book and all that. So this is where you can be able to what? Upload the book itself. So this is it. That's when, sorry. So you are going to upload the book here. So this is our book. You select it. and is done. The file I will upload is a pre-order sample file, and users should be able to what download it during the pre-order, automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after the purchase. So that is, you select all this, click on the create product, and wait for our product to be what created. So you can see the product has been what created successfully. We have what edit how to make money online in Africa. This is the product linked. You can share it on your WhatsApp group just to promote it. You can share it on your Facebook page or any platform at all you have, and you are willing to what share or sell your product through that platform. Or maybe you want people to be able to access this platform, because so many people might not know that they can get access to this platform and get access to your product. So you can also copy the link and share it across other platform that you have. So that is it. You can see a successful what publish. So when people come across this your product and they are willing to buy, they'll contact you and you get the process done and get paid. So that is it. This is just simple how you can make money by just creating ebooks with the help of ChatGPT. They have other products you can create as well, not only ebooks. There are options that you can choose from what content, animation, ebooks, whether a digital product or maybe something physical you are selling. You can choose any of these options and be able to what upload the image of your product, the price and everything, every detail that is needed for you to sell your product successfully. So this is just simple how you can make cool cash from your phone with the help of ChatGPT. You don't have any knowledge about any of these things. If you have any idea at all, just go to ChatGPT, prompt it, it will generate it for you, and you'll be able to sell it and make cool cash from this as well. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash the subscription button, like the video, leave your comment in the comment section. If there's something you are not clear about, something you want to maybe clarify your mind with, something that you need to maybe understand more, let us know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. Thank you for coming across once again. I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.